To start off this makeup look, I'm using the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm as my primer. You're probably thinking, what? But I swear it leaves your skin feeling super tacky, and it's the perfect base for foundation. It allows your foundation to really stick on your face and last all day long. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 105. You guys know this is my favorite foundation. It's Balm from the drugstore. It's super full coverage, super long lasting, and it just looks good throughout the whole day. I love this foundation, and I'm just applying that to my face using my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm. I have a love-hate relationship with this concealer. I love it because it's so full coverage and it's affordable. It looks so good on the skin. It compares to high-end concealers. But what I don't like about it is it's pretty drying, so if you're someone with dry skin, you might feel like it accentuates your dryness even more. But a great way to combat that is moisturizing really well and just taking really good care of your skin, and also setting spray, and there's a bunch of tricks with makeup that you can do to help prevent that dryness. So I do love that concealer. And to set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 05, and I'm just applying this using my damp beauty blender and pressing this powder into my skin on my whole face. I am setting my whole face. I always love to set my whole face. This powder is really great from the drugstore. For bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette, and I'm using my little Benefit Hula brush, and I'm just kind of mixing all of the bronzer shades together as long as they don't have a shimmer, and I'm just going to bronze / contour my face. I'm going in with my Morphe M530 brush and those same bronzers just to kind of bronze up my face a little bit more and buff all that bronzer out. I'm going back in with my Benefit Hula brush, and I'm using that bronzer to contour my jawline. I don't like to use contour shades because I just feel like they look a little too gray on me, even though you're probably like, this looks so orange, but I promise I blend it out. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M506 brush to apply that bronzer to my forehead. I love this brush. It applies bronzer to the forehead so flawlessly and easily. Then I'm going in with my Morphe M437 brush to blend out that contour. That way we don't look so crazy and so orange and everything. If you can see, it really does make a big difference once you start blending. It helps so much. To contour my nose, I'm using those same bronzers, and I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and I'm just drawing two lines down the center of my nose. You want to keep them close together in the center, and then I'm connecting them at the bottom. I'm also going to contour around my nostrils to give myself the appearance of a smaller nose. So everything I'm doing right now will give my nose the appearance to look smaller. Now contouring my cupid's bow and underneath my lip will give me the appearance of a bigger lip. And now I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just using this brush to blend out the areas that I just contoured. This brush is so great because it works so well in these small areas. It really gets in there so you can blend your nose contour super good. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and my beauty blender to go ahead and bake the areas that I contoured. This will really help clean up your face so that we have no harsh lines and everything can just look nice and precise and blended. And when it comes to soft glam, you really want your makeup to look precise because it's mainly face based, so you just really want to make sure everything looks even and precise and clean and soft. And before I put my bronzer away, I'm going to go ahead and mix all of those bronzer shades together on a Morphe JH34 brush, and I'm just starting to apply that to my eyelid just to give my eyelids some color and some dimension and stuff. And I'm also smoking out these same shades on my lower lash line using my Morphe M506 brush, the same brush that I used to contour my nose, but my camera cut off, so I didn't get that filmed. But I'm just letting you know that's what I did. It's very simple. I'm just, you know, kind of buffing some of this some of this bronzer onto my eyelids. And to complete the eye look, I went ahead and added the Eylure Luxe Silk Lashes. These are super affordable and they're like one of the best lashes I feel like you can get at the drugstore that compared to like a high-end lash. And then now I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amour, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks, and I'm applying it heavily, but that's because I love the look of like a heavy blush with a soft glam makeup look, kind of like Kylie Jenner, I guess. She kind of does that, but yeah, I just love that look. But don't worry, I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm taking my Morphe M437 brush and I'm wiping away my bake, but I'm also going over my bronzer and my blush just to make sure everything's blended and again soft glam. We want to just look soft, like we're soft glowing like an angel, I don't know. But yes, I'm just blending all of that out and making sure that everything is soft and blended. Now, the drugstore has stepped up and they have a lot of good highlighters, but for some reason I felt like using this NYX pigment. This is in the shade Nude, and I'm taking my Morphe E36 brush and I'm applying that as my inner corner highlight, and then I'm also going to apply that onto my nose to give my nose a highlight. So I'm just highlighting the tip of my nose and just a little line down my nose just to kind of make my nose pop out a little bit more and accentuate it. And you can use whatever highlight though you want. I just ended up picking this for some reason. And now I'm going to add a little bit more of that blush. I'm not taking any extra product, but I'm just using what is left over on my brush, and I'm just applying that over my nose because I feel like that's a big thing in soft glam, is you have some blush on your nose and it looks really good. And then again, I am blending all that out using my Morphe M437 brush. I'm also using that NYX pigment to highlight my chin and my cupid's bow, but I do not want to bring that highlight onto my cheekbones. And then again, blending out my face. For lips, I'm going in with the Morphe Lip Liner in the shade Coffee and Kissy. These lip liners are bomb. You guys know that. I say it all the time. But if you're gonna have anything that I say from this video, like, please try the Morphe lip liners. I swear, they're so good and so affordable. For lipstick, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream lipstick in the shade 04, and I do like this lipstick, but it's just a little bit dark for what I was going for, and I don't have a whole lot of drugstore lipsticks. So I'm taking the Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in the shade 755, and I just keep applying that to the center of my lip and blending it out until I get like that nice nude lip that I'm looking for. But I'm sure you could use whatever your favorite nude lipstick is, but you know, I was really trying to keep this like a drugstore video. Then I'm going in with the Garnier SkinActive Soothing Facial Mist with rose water to set my face. This is the completed soft glam makeup look. I absolutely love this makeup look so much. It turned out so good. This is like my new everyday makeup look slash makeup routine, because I don't always use all drugstore products, but I wanted to do all drugstore products for you guys, so you guys could definitely get your hands on the products and recreate the look for yourself. I love the way it turned out so much, and it's just a perfect everyday makeup look if you're like a glam girl but you need like a everyday makeup look. This is like my everyday makeup look. I know it's still a lot of products and a lot of steps, but if you're glam, it's worth it. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I've done soft glam looks in the past, but they never do as well as my colorful looks, so I really don't upload them that much. But I know it's like a super big trend right now, and this is like my new everyday makeup look, so I thought I would film it for you guys. Let me know if you guys like it, because I would love to film more soft glam for you guys, but just sometimes I just feel like that's not what you guys want to see, or I feel like they're too easy and that no one cares to see it. I don't know. But I would love to create more. I would love to do another soft glam, like everyday makeup look, a little bit different from this and not restricted to drugstore products, so it would be like more high-end stuff. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do decide to recreate this makeup look, please tag me or DM me in your pictures, because I always love seeing your pictures and sharing them and liking them. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel before you leave. It always means so much to me every time I get a new subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye!